Dr. Larry Corey, and I'm what they call the principal investigator, the head of the HIV Vaccine Trial Network, which is the network that is the international collaboration of scientists that is conducting the HIV vaccine trials in sub-Saharan Africa and especially in South Africa. Talk about the two trials that we have going on now. One of them is what we call HVTN 702 or HOMBRO, the journey, and that is a vaccine that is built for the epidemic in South Africa and is based on what we learned from the Thai trial that was partially effective. And our hope is that we've built a vaccine in some studies that we conducted earlier in South Africa that says the immune responses we're getting are better than what we saw in Thailand. South Africans actually respond better to the vaccine, and we're in the midst of trying to find out, well, can we use this vaccine to prevent the acquisition of HIV? It's a rather large study, enrolling scheduled to enroll about 5,500 men and women in South Africa. We're currently in the midst of it. Professor Glenda Gray from the MRC is the head of it, and Professor Lynn Becker is also one of the co-chairs, as well as investigators from in Soweto and Beira. So it's our pleasure to work with these investigators in South Africa, and we are optimistic that we will get positive results. We're also conducting a very important vaccine trial. It's called Nomcebo. That is a different vaccine, but one that also worked very well in all the non-human primate models of experimental challenge of HIV-like vaccines that we've ever seen. And that is a vaccine that uses another, what we call, two different types of vaccines to make an immune response against the virus. That trial, Nomcebo, has just started. That's going to be done both in South Africa as well as 7 or 8 other countries in sub-Saharan Africa. That vaccine is, we have lots of optimism about that too, and that's just starting. I think as of today, around 400 have been enrolled. This is a vaccine that's just going to go into women. Wanted to test it first in women, feeling that they were most affected population. If we could find success in women, then we can extend it to other populations. So for us working in South Africa, what can I say, it's my adopted country. I love South Africa, I love South Africans, I love the community, I love the spirit of the country. It is really an honor to be able to work with the community and work with the medical investigators and all the stakeholders in HIV in South Africa. So all I can say is that we're doing our best to develop a vaccine, bring it to where it's most needed, and to make the science help people and help the community as fast and as quickly as we possibly can.